How to crack Wings 1 articulation, either pass or distinction. Hello friends, welcome back to Smart Nazi Tech Study. So most of associates don't know what is the meaning of articulation, even though completing whole course. So basically the articulation is expressing something in a coherent verbal form or an aspect of pronunciation involving the articulatory organs. This means just in verbal form we say clearly and in a concise manner. Now we shall discuss exam pattern of articulation, and all other non-technical tracks will be same. So number of questions will be 40, duration is 1 hour or 60 minutes, pass marks 55%. So this is 22 pass marks for digital cadre, which is 55%, and required 22 marks. Distinction marks required for the innovator candidates, which is 70%, and equivalent to 28 marks. So if you are planning for digital also, you must target to the distinction because it will be helpful in innovator role. So don't assume like that this articulation is very simple and you away from efforts. So don't do like that. Put all your efforts. Most of the associates I have seen 2 or 3 attempts they are not able to clear. So put your maximum efforts in order to clear pass or distinction in this course. So exam centers are TCS Ion centers in your debut branch. Now topics in articulation. So basically there are 4 topics, one end exam for course completion. First one is core articulation, teams without borders. It is a multicultural teams and agile teams. And next one is business English. So this is a basic business English like listening, reading, writing, email etiquettes like that. And core articulation, communicate effectively in global teams curriculum. So this is related to communication skills and the art of articulation. So how you can articulate the things like that. So we shall discuss topic 1 in a briefly manner. First one is core articulation, team without borders. This curriculum aims to equip the learner with the necessary skill to work successfully in location independent and multicultural teams. So most of the associates are experienced this thing. So location independent and multicultural teams you have already worked. If not, in your future you will be get into this kind of things. So next one is commence a business English. So in this you will learn listening, reading, writing usage. So I'm not discussing about how to clear this because you have already cleared this course. Now the next one is core articulation, communicate effectively in global teams. So this curriculum aims to initiate learners into learning the necessary skills to communicate effectively in global multicultural teams. So basically this program aims to develop intercultural communication related skills. The program is expected to enable learner to build competency in the area of intercultural communication and collaboration in the area of multicultural and multi-location teams. Now the last one is art of articulation. So in this program it is related to business context. Basically it provides guidelines that will help you manage your meetings, daily meetings, telecons, emails, presentations, presentation like that, and all other key messaging towards creating the desired impact and amplifying results. There are 2 sequential stages to complete this program. So already you have done, so I'm not discussing about this. So now there's some important previous year questions. You will receive an email from Madhu Mohan whom you don't know at all. The salutation in reply should read as hi. You say hi, just hi, or hello, or dear Madhu Mohan. So the right answer will be dear Madhu Mohan, or you can say hi Madhu Mohan is also fine. The act of expressing something in a coherent form is option 1 documentation, articulation, C digital marketing, D knowledge management. So the right answer is B articulation. So most repeated question, a well articulated message is coherent and concise, easy to understand, always uses visuals, descriptive, and provides extensive details. Now we shall see the right answer. The right answer would be A and B, coherent and concise. Most repeated question, content created for projects following the agile approach need not to be reviewed. True, the focus is on functional software. Content is secondary. The focus is on functional software. Content is secondary. False, inaccuracies and lack of clarity can adversely impact your team's standing with the customer. Review can help you address these issues. So already you will know this answer. Answer B, false, inaccuracies and lack of clarity can adversely impact your team standing. So therefore before presentation you need to be check once, you need to be review agile approach should be reviewed. So thank you. This is all my insights about articulation. If you have any other points, or if you need more MCQs which are previously asked, and the MCQs which are expected to become in this cycle also, you can mention your comment. Thanks for watching. Do like, subscribe and share. We will shall meet in another video. Bye bye.